Hello, and welcome back to the Last Stop Watch channel. I'm Bryant. So I've had this watch for quite some time now. It was a watch that Jody from Just One More Watch had reviewed a couple months ago and gave it pretty rave reviews. So I thought I'd check it out. It's a very inexpensive military field style watch, and it got me curious, so I ordered it from AliExpress. It's here today, so I'm going to unbox and give you my first impressions of this watch. Now, before we get into the unboxing, it's time for a quick wrist check. Today, I am wearing my Bodair Voyager. This has been in my collection for quite some time now. It's on the titanium strap today, and as you can see, there is some scratching on the buckle, but that is 100% from desk diving. This watch has been a very, very good watch and has kept up with my life and everything that I do. There is a smudge on the crystal there, but otherwise it is scratch free. It's an odd shaped watch in my opinion. Still, the lugs have a weird effect, but it seems to work. And like I said, the watch has been very comfortable and it's never left my collection. So that being said, let's get on to the unboxing. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Militado ML05, labeled as the Vintage Watch. It uses a VH31 sweep second-hand movement. Claims to have domed sapphire crystal with high clear AR coating, and it is a 38mm watch. Inside the cardboard box, we have a nice metal tin, and we have our international guarantee card. Very straightforward there. Opening the tin, we have a piece of protective foam, the watch, and literally nothing else. So let's get all of this out of the way. I purchased this on a black NATO style strap. They do have on their website several different options for other colors, but this is the one that I chose. You can actually choose different crystal or you can actually choose different faces, and I like the kind of vintage looking dial here. It's got kind of a yellowed look to it. Time to get all of this plastic off. And there we go. So you do see there is a slight dome to the crystal. The metal finish on the case is quite nice, actually. It is a quartz movement, like I said, the VH31. It's got a screw down crown. Setting the time. The hands move freely. There's a good feel on the crown for setting time. Taking the NATO strap off. We've got one more sticker on the back. Screw down case back. And as you can see there, it has the appearance of a vintage manual wind field watch. And that sweep seconds, it almost gives the appearance of a manual wind watch. Now, this metal case has got a nice nickel brush finish, I would say, with a polished back. Let's do some measurements. Looking at the watch, going from side to side, you're looking at a little over 42 mil, but that includes the crown. If we don't include the crown, it's right at 37.71, which is going to be a 38 mil watch. You lug to lug, it's going to be right at 20 mil. So most standard straps will fit this watch. Thickness with the domed sapphire. Looks to be right at 10, 11 mil. Put it on wrist. There it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. Not a bad looking watch. As I said, I've had this watch for a little while, but obviously have not unboxed it. Had a lot of stuff going on here at the house and at work. It's been quite hectic. But the cool part about this is this watch was purchased on AliExpress, so there's always an opportunity for a sale. Now, while I paid $43 and some change for this watch, you can now get it for $42.56 with AliExpress's back to school sale. Probably by the time you watch this video, the back to school sale may be over, but this watch is kind of the same price or similar prices all throughout AliExpress and through their sales. But as I said, you can get different straps, different faces. And I didn't think I was going to be very impressed with this watch. I mean, it's not a mechanical movement. It's not a mechanical movement. It's the quartz movement. It's got a NATO strap with no other options. Oh, nope, I was wrong. It's got a leather strap option. That really looks nice. I should have bought that. But after unboxing the watch, it's got a nice classic feel to it. It's not too heavy, but it doesn't feel cheap. It does not feel like a $42 watch for sure. I think that switching out to a different strap might be the better option. Just taking a look at that again. I am going to get you a nice loom shot for this. But I love the hands. The hands are just very classic. So what you have is all these indices here, and the watch hands are all illuminated. And they say that this is super C3 green luminous, and you also get 100 meters of water resistance, which is good for basically swimming. So there you have it. Militado ML05 Vintage Watch with the VH31 movement, 100 meters water resistance, domed sapphire crystal with an AR coating, C3 luminous hands and indices, all for less than $50. Not a bad deal in my opinion. It looks great on my 7.5-inch wrist, and I think it might look great on your wrist too. If you have any questions or comments about this watch, please leave them in the comment section down below. As always, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as much as I have making it. My name is Bryant. This is the Last Stop Watch channel. Have a great day.